Hi everyone, welcome to Engineering Starts at Home. I'm Emery.
And I'm Audrey.
So for today's activity, we will be doing binary alphabet beads. And if you're following along with your engineering passport, today we'll be doing computer science engineering. For your materials, you will need 2 different color beads, pipe cleaners or string, and in the description below you can find a link to this worksheet that you also need. So for today's activity, we will be learning about binary code. So what is binary code? Binary code is what computers use to store data. They store them in bits or digits of 0 and 1. And coding itself is a way that computer engineers can communicate with the computer through its own language. Today we'll be using binary code in the form of beads to spell a word. In honor of St. Patrick's Day, we will be forming the word luck. And to be extra fun, we will be forming it in the shape of a shamrock. So the binary alphabet is a combination of an 8-digit code. So the beads represent different numbers within the code. So the orange represents 1 and the green will represent 0. So to get started, you'll need to sort your beads. As I said before, the number 1 is represented by orange and green is represented by 0. So Audrey here is sorting the beads. Next, she will take a pipe cleaner and she will fold it in half, kind of forming what the leaves will look like beforehand, before we add the beads. So we'll do L first. So you can choose to use either the capitalized letters or the lowercase letters. For our example, we're going to be using the lowercase. So to get started, we're going to do L, and I will read the numbers off to Audrey, and she will pick up the coordinating colors. First we have 0, which as I said before is represented by green. Then we have 2 1s in a row via orange. Another 0 for green. Two more 1s for orange. You'll make sure you want to go slow for this because it is easy to make mistakes. And then 2 more greens for 0. That's our first 8-digit binary code, as you can see there. And then Audrey will take the end of the pipe cleaner and twist it in the middle. That way those beads are secured. And there is your letter L to start. So next you will do the letter U. So we just finished L. So move on down into your worksheet and refer to U. There's your letter U, and Audrey will once again twist the end of the pipe cleaner so we can form them together. And she's finished doing that. We have our first 2 leaves of our shamrock. Hey everyone, it's secret phrase time. So get out your engineering passport where you will write today's secret phrase, which is good luck coding. You will be using a second pipe cleaner to form the letters C and K. You can try this on your own. When you're finished, this is what it should look like. And then you will use a third pipe cleaner to put the 2 together to form the rest of your shamrock. So next you will take the first one and you will wrap the pipe cleaner around it once, at least maybe twice, to make sure it's secured. Once you've done that, you'll grab your second part for the other 2 leaves and repeat the process and twisting them together. And once you've done it a few times and it feels secure, you can use the bottom to form the bottom of your shamrock. So there is your finished product of your shamrock that spells luck. So if you do not have easy access to beads at home, there's other ways you can do this activity. So one example I did was of forming the word engineer. I used the same colors we used before to form the word engineer with green and orange colored boxes to represent the different letters. So this is one example of how you can do that. If you want to do an example with more than one word, you can do What I spelled here was good luck, and you can use a third colored bead to represent a space. So we have good and then luck, and then white is our space bead. We hope you had fun learning about binary code today. Thank you for joining us in Engineering Starts at Home. We will see you next time.